everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Snack Review with me, Randy Prizzle. Well, I got it for you guys. Borough 22 donuts, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate sprinkle donut. Now, you can see the colours on there that's going on, all on that. Probably very scattered, but in terms of the donut and the way it's looking and how thick chocolate is, I'm kind of excited to try this, you know. Yeah, I'm feeling the vibes. If the chocolate hits right and all the donut goes in well together. So again, I'm gonna have to pause you guys and come back because this is another one I'm gonna have to take a quarter of. So be back in just a second. Yes, I'm back and here it is, the quarter. Now, I'm excited to see what this is saying. As I said, 6 in a pack, Borough 22 donuts. I'm just hoping the vibe comes through in this one with the chocolate and the sprinkles give that crunch and all of it works well together. So let's go. Yeah, I think you caught me in the moment there. Oh, that chocolate hits so lovely. The way it's just caught that back of the throat. It's so smooth. It works well with the donut. The sprinkles give that crunch as well. Just added on top, lovely crunch. The thickness of the chocolate that's in that donut too, man. I want to finish that whole thing. I love it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that. That's getting a 9 from me. And that's it for this episode of Snack Review. I'm finishing this donut. Till next time, guys. Snack out.